Alright, you are welcome again. You are still solving limit under calculus. Now let's take this question for today. Evaluate the limit if it exists. Lim as x approaches 8, x minus 8 all over cubic root of x minus 2. Okay, so we are asked to evaluate this. Now let's go. We have lim as x approaches 8, x minus 8 all over cubic root of x minus 2. Now let's work on our denominator first. You discover that cubic root of x can be written as x raised to power 1 all over 3. Is that true? Yes. Please, if you don't understand this, I will refer you to our laws of indices. We treated things like this, alright? Okay, so cubic root of x can be written as x raised to power 1 all over 3. Okay, now let's go. We are having lim as x approaches 8, x minus 8 all over x raised to power 1 all over 3 minus 2. So pay attention to this, because this is quite different from all we have been solving, and this requires logic. Okay, now we are having x in a numerator and x in a denominator, and then x in a numerator is having power 1, and then x in a denominator is having power 1 all over 3. Alright, so the LCM of the powers, the LCM of the power, that is 1 and 3. The LCM of 1 and 3, what will it give you? 3. So that means we are going to say 1 times 3. It will give us 3. Now see what we are going to do. We are going to say let y raised to power 3. Hope you get how I arrive at this 3, right? I say this 3 multiplied by the power of 1. Okay, so 1 times 3 will give us 3. Now we are saying let y raised to power 3 equal to x. That means anywhere we see x, we are going to replace it with what? Y raised to power 3. Hello, you get what I'm saying? Now let's see what I'm trying to say. Let y raised to power 3 equal to x. And then you discover that now as x approaches 8, y will approach something. So we're going to say, what is the number that when you raise it to power 3, it will give you 8? What is that number? That number will give you what? 2. That means we are going to say, as x approaches 8, y will approach 2. Because 2 raised to power 3 is what? Is 8. As x approaches 8, y will approach what? 2. Now let me show you what I'm trying to say. We have lim as x approaches 8, x minus 8 all over x raised to power 1 all over 3 minus 2 is equal to lim as y now approaches what? 2. Okay, so anywhere we see x, we're going to replace it with what? Y raised to power 3 or y cube. Alright, so we're going to have in a numerator y raised to power 3 minus 8 all over y raised to power 3. You get it? We open bracket, because the x in our denominator is having 1 all over 3. So our x himself is y all over 3. Alright, and then the power that is having is 1 all over 3. We open bracket separately and write 1 all over 3. Then minus 2. Okay, now let's perform this operation in this denominator. If you open the bracket, we're going to have 3 times 1, 3 all over 3. So 3 all over 3 will give us what? 1. That means we're having y raised to power 1 minus 2. And then y raised to power 1 is what? 1. That means we're having y minus 2 in our word denominator. Okay, good. That means we are having lim as y approaches to y raised to power 3 minus 8 all over y raised to power 2. Okay, good. Let's see what we can do next. We discover that 8 can be reduced to base 2 raised to power 3. So we are having lim as y approaches to y raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 3. Because this 2 raised to power 3 is the same as 8. Okay? So all over y minus 2. So from here, this numerator y raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 3 can be written as y minus 2 in bracket y squared plus 2y plus 4 in bracket. Okay? So when you multiply this, it will give you y cubed minus 8. Please try and confirm it. Alright? All over y minus 2. So we are having lim as y approaches to y minus 2 in bracket y squared plus 2y plus 4 all over y minus 2. Okay? So we are having y minus 2 in a numerator and y minus 2 in a denominator. So they can cancel out. Then we'll be left with lim as y approaches to y squared plus 2y plus 4. From here, we can insert our value for y. As y approaches to, anywhere we see y, we're going to replace it with 2. In so doing, we will have 2 squared plus 2 of 2 plus 4. So 2 squared is 4. Plus 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 4. Okay? So we'll be having 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 12. So the evaluation of the limit lim as x approaches 8, x minus 8 all over cubic root of x minus 2 is equal to 12. Alright? Thank you for watching. Please keep practicing and subscribe if you have not done so. Alright? Thank you. See you next time.